Hey everyone, this is Akash here. Last week, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 got the One UI 2.1 update based out of Android 10. Well, this week has some good news for Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus users because One UI 2.1 update has already started rolling out. This update has been seen in regions of Germany and Korea so far. It also includes the June 2020 security patch. Other regions should soon follow and get this update. So what are the major highlights of this update? Well, you'll have quick share option, that is a one-tap solution for sharing files and media between Galaxy devices. It is quite similar to Apple's AirDrop. There's also the option of music share, and other than that, there are some interesting camera modes as well. So basically single take captures a series of photos and video clips for 10 seconds when you tap the shutter button, while My Filters allows you to replicate the colors and styles of your favorite photos and create custom filters for future shots. And another great news is that the Pro video recording mode is back. This feature had been removed from the Galaxy S9 series following the Android 9 Pie update, which really disappointed many users because it was a feature that was present when the phone launched but got removed in a subsequent update. But it's nice to see that this feature has made its way back. It has several tricks that you would expect from the Pro mode, and it also includes the ability to control the shutter speed. Other than that, it also updates the AR Zone app that puts together all the augmented reality features such as AR emoji and AR doodle in one place. AR emoji has also got enhanced facial recognition and a new manual editing tools. Samsung keyboard has also been integrated with multilingual translation feature and a text undo redo shortcuts. Samsung Galaxy Gallery app has also got a new quick crop functionality that can group similar images together. So this is pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video.